Welcome to Trek the Valleys. Welcome to Trek the Valleys on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Today we're back at the Rhigos viewpoint, one of the best views in the valley. Today we're doing the Llyn Fawr, Llyn Fach and the Craig y Llyn summit loop. I'm really looking forward to this. It's going to give us a different perspective and some very scenic views. So let's make a move. Well, the route is taking me down this steep incline and I can't see no path. I don't want to risk it, so I think I'm going to go back up and have a rethink. Obviously, I want to park down here, so I might have to go back up, do Llyn Fawr, Llyn Fach, come up then to the Craig y Llyn summit and then come back down the same way maybe. If I can't get down to this area. So yeah, let's get back up there and give it another go. Right, I've moved the car and I'm going to start from a lower descent. The trail wanted to bring me down here. And it's just too steep and the path isn't very good. So I come down to this level, rethink, so I'm going to go now directly through the forestry to Llyn Fawr first. Okay, so let's go. The last time I come down this route, there were two fishermen and they thought that my gimbal was a fishing rod. So they approached me and said, "Oi, hope you're not fishing." I had to reassure them, look, it's a gimbal. Right, so Llyn Fawr is where the zip world comes over the top of it. So if we're lucky, we might see some people come down because it's a lovely day and I bet it's very, very busy there at the moment. So it shouldn't take too long to get to the lake. Right. You can see it more clearly here now, just down here, trying to come down this route here. No, much better this way, a lot safer. I'm not risking it. All right. Private fishing. Look at this, absolutely amazing. Llyn Fawr. Whoa, the big lake. Look at this cliff face and look at the sun reflecting off the lake itself. Just up there is Zip World Top Tower and they come screaming right over the top of this. I can't wait to see what Llyn Fach is like. Let's make a move. Look at this. Even at this level, we can still see Banau Bricau Niog in the background. Absolutely stunning. Right, we've come along side of the ridge, but probably going back, we can come back this way via the forestry road. Yeah, let's have a little look. So we're heading our way now over to Llyn Fach. Really looking forward to this. Right, we're at the second lake, Llyn Fach, a small lake. Look at this, look how quiet it is here. And this rock face as well. Absolutely stunning. Nice to see it from this perspective. Obviously I've seen it from the Llyn Fach viewpoint. But down here, gorgeous. Could definitely camp here. Right. Time for a bit of suntan lotion and insect spray. And obviously a drink of water. Right. Oh, just soaking this in now, and then we'll make a move. Cool. I did notice some structures up here. Never noticed it from the top before. I think there's one there, like a little cave. Cool. Right. Good stuff. Some lads just came up on motorbikes to Llyn Fach. Gonna have a chill, have a little swim. Nice, perfect on a day like this. Just chilling. Great stuff. Right, let's make a move. All right, back on the forestry trail now. Let's see where this takes us. Just an open bit of forestry here where it's all been chopped down. But look what it's revealed. Banai Brick Einiog in the background, looking absolutely amazing. Look, right across. Oh my God, beautiful. Makes it worth it, doesn't it? Quite a trail this is. A lot of down trees, a lot of pools and muddy area, quite difficult to get past. Oh, I'm hoping it gets a lot better now. But yeah, a lot of fallen trees, difficult to pass. Oof. At least I'm out of the sun. Right, seems to have opened up a bit now. Just going to make it to the top here now. Oof. Right, sip of water and then go, I think. I always have a little moan about motorbikes, but to be honest, if it wasn't for motorbikes, I would have never got up that trail. Never, with all the trees down and everything and the mud patches and water. The motorbike trails going off and around these obstacles helped me get up here, so here we are. There's one positive. Right, The last trek now. Oh, right, let's go. Here we are, we're at the top now. Llyn Fach viewpoint, absolutely amazing. We were down at the base by the lake earlier on and we've made our way all the way up. Now we're going over to Craig y Llyn, to the trig point. Absolutely stunning. Don't confuse this lake with Llyn Fach. That's 40 minutes over that way. This is just plain Llyn Fach. Just over from Llyn Fawr. Okay, great stuff. Let's get to that trig point. Right, once you get to the marker, we need now to walk straight up here and the trig point is on the right. Okay, let's take a look. Right, we're at the final point now. Craig y Llyn, rock of the lake, or cliff of the lake. It's just over 600 metres. It's situated just above Rhigos in the Cynon Valley. Very interesting. Right, quick drink and then I'll make my way back. Right, make my way back now. Just put on some more suntan lotion and some insect spray because it's really bad up here. So yeah, let's make a move back. It's been really interesting, really cool. So glad I got back out. I was sitting out the garden in the sun thinking, oh my God, how can I go out for a walk in this? So I decided to leave it a bit later. Ideally I should have gone first thing this morning, but was a bit lazy. So I've come out this afternoon now and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I've picked a route which goes through a bit of forestry that gives you a bit of respite. So yeah, I should be going back this way, but I've parked my car lower down now because I didn't want to abseil down the rocks. I wasn't prepared, so I'm going to go back now the way I came, which is great, towards the sun. Okay, let's go. It's okay, I've come prepared. Yes, so I'm not going to have the glare of the sun in my face. But yeah, should be a lot quicker going back. Not looking forward to going back down that one bit, but come on Gav, you can do it. Just grow a pair. Right, let's go. If anyone got any recommendations for any hikes, roughly 3 to 5 hours, that I can fit in maybe on like a Saturday or a Sunday, or maybe on a day off. Sometimes I could do a longer one, but I've got to fit it all in with obviously family life and my work schedule. So it's just getting out when I can, and within reason. It makes it a lot easier in the summer with weather like this. Very difficult when you've got bad weather, but sometimes you just got to get out just to get a bit of peace for your mental health and your exercise. But yeah, any recommendations will be a big help, because I've done quite a few in the local areas. Not really fussed on doing anything busy. You know, if you follow the channel, you know, I try to look at routes which are quite quiet and remote. I'm not so fussed on the busy routes. Obviously, because I'm filming, don't I feel a bit embarrassed now talking to myself with loads of people around me. But here we go. I suppose that has just come with confidence. But yeah, so making my way back down now to the Llyn Fach viewpoint, and then back round then down the mountain. So as you can see, I mentioned, you know, the Craig y Llyn mountain is just over 600 metres, and as you can see in the background, Banau Brycheiniog, and you can see how high we are. It's really cool. But obviously a lot of those mountains are 250 metres higher. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna watch my feet here now. But yeah, it's all good stuff. Okay, just come up to the viewpoint. Oh man. Right, there's bags here. I'm not lugging those bloody things down, but I'll get rid of everything else. All right, I think that's the most I can carry. Right, let's make our way back. Right, making my way back now. I just had to scrub my hands. I always carry hand wipes with me. So yeah, bag of rubbish. So I'm going to carry this all the way back now. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, just about to come out here now and have another lovely view. Right, so this particular area, it's basically on the border. So you've got the Rhondda Valley, Cynon Valley, and then you've got the Neath Valley then. So a lot of people say it's more in the Cynon Valley. Some say Neath, some say Rhondda Valley, but who bloody cares? Yeah. It's all still on my doorstep regardless, so I absolutely love it up here. I'm really getting to know this place and come up and find different routes. So I've done this route a couple of times now, but I've never been down to the base of Llyn Fach. I've been down to Llyn Fawr once, and that was just a quick stop off for a hike and a cup of tea. And I did manage to catch some people coming on the zip line screaming. That was funny. But yeah, I haven't done this hike before, so it's very interesting. Difficult in places, especially with all those down trees. But yeah, there's sometimes you've got to push your boundaries. But I was definitely not pushing my boundaries going down that route originally from the Rhigos viewpoint. It was like that, and I couldn't see a decent path down. And I thought, the further I get down, I'm going to commit and then just be stuck. Don't worry, I had a couple of protein bars and plenty of waters, and even a flask of tea, so I would have been all right. And an emergency bivvy. But no, you got to know your limits. But yeah, this is just a longer route, which doesn't bother me anyway. There's plenty of daylight left. Okay, enough nattering, let's get on with it. Oof. That's hard going. Vaulting over those down trees. But there we are. We got past them. I think it's just one or two more now, but they're not too bad. Right, not sure where this might go. Might take me back up to Llyn Fach, but I'm going to go back this way now, back to the forestry road. Right. Oof. And hopefully for a little bit of flat then. It'll be interesting to follow this all the way around to see how far it goes. See if it goes right down to past Llyn. Be very interesting. That's for another time. Back of the car, I'm feeling like a beetroot. Obviously the hike didn't go to plan. There was no way I was going to go down that cliff face, but I had to improvise, and we managed to get to all the sites we wanted to see. Llyn Fawr, Llyn Fach and Craig y Llyn summit. So overall, a really good hike and some amazing views of Banau Bricau Niog. So if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Trek the Valleys. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.